Hello, let's just mention some warnings tonight that I think you should know. So in Iceland there are some snowfall warnings, like snow and maybe gusty winds. In Brazil, some warnings for tropical rains, some rain warnings here in the northeast too, and some rain warnings and thunderstorm advisories in southern Brazil. So let's see southern Australia, because they have frost warnings here in southeastern Australia, and all of this is frost warnings. So let's take a closer look. Frost, severe frost temperatures. This is mainly during the night and early morning hours, so be careful. All of these yellow stripes are wind warnings for coastal areas. There are some wind warnings in the Solomon Islands, but I don't know if they have any warnings for this, but I would like to mention that it will rain a lot there in the Solomon Islands the next few days. Some pretty big accumulations showing up there. So let's see. In India, I showed you there earlier today. In China, they have like more than 200 warnings every day for all sorts of things. Kazakhstan, the same there. They have a page with trillions of warnings there about what's going to happen the next day. So forest fire danger, wind and thunderstorm advisories there. Some wind, rain, thunderstorm advisories there. Parts of Kazakhstan. Russia there has some forest fire danger, some wind advisories, and more scared here. So let's see this area. Some snow advisories in these areas too of Russia. So let's see what else. The heat advisories in southern Florida, but they should expire 5 p.m. In Ireland, what's this here? Some thunderstorm advisories there. Let's see for what this is. So Sunday, yes, it's for Sunday. So in other parts of Europe too, here the rain's there, and northeastern France it got better, but until now they had some red flood warnings for rivers, thunderstorm advisories in the Balkans, Greece, some wind and thunderstorm. What's this in Spain? Some thunderstorm advisories and rain for many areas of Spain there. And let's see Canada. What are these things here? Thunderstorm. Saturday, yes, it must be like those severe thunderstorm watches or wind. Some snowfall warnings there. Let's see here. So I don't know. In Japan here, they have some dry air advisors. This looks like a wildfire emoji, but it's a dry air advisor. Some dense fog advisors too. And here more dry air advisors, some wind advisors, and wind advisors. Some thunderstorm advisors in those southernmost islands. Yes. Here in far eastern Russia, what's this? Some fog advisors. And let's take a look at some global rain accumulation next 24 hours first, because 3 days is kind of dramatic in some areas. Let's see. So the tropical rains in South America there. So yes, just be aware. Parts of Canada, some rain, the US, parts of Europe too. In India and Sri Lanka there, we mentioned earlier. In parts of southern China, lots of rain the next 24 hours. Parts of Japan, Oceania, some areas. Now next 3 days, more in parts of the open waters there in Oceania, Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, Japan, in south and eastern China, lots of rain too, and very, very dramatic in parts of India. Look at these totals, next 3 days, like 300 millimeters in some areas there. Please be careful in Sri Lanka too, more than 100 millimeters. Madagascar there, some heavy rain. This area, because of the cyclone there. Central Africa, parts of the tropical rains there. Central Africa. And this is it, I think. In Iceland there, and other areas. So tomorrow we will make more videos for specific areas of the world that need it, and stay safe.